Did you know Gemini's secret power is its capacity to communicate with other Google apps? On March 4th, the tech world was abuzz when Anthropic, a cutting-edge company with big sponsors including Google and Amazon.com, unveiled its latest product, Claude 3. Join us for a comprehensive overview and technical report, digging deeply into the incredible capabilities that have transformed the AI environment. According to Anthropic, their main model, the Claude 3 Opus, is more than just another participant in the game. It surpasses competitors like OpenAI's GPT-4 and Google's Gemini 1.0 Ultra in a range of benchmark tests. People were doubtful, and some even claimed it was a joke. Then there was the mind-boggling video in which two people appeared to be interacting with Gemini Ultra, Google's next AI marvel, in an extremely human manner. However, the excitement was short-lived as worries arose about the video's authenticity. Was it all a lie, or were Google's claims genuine? Fast forward to the present, and Google has launched Gemini Advance over the world. Alright, so you have three great models to pick from, each of which outshines the previous one. Starting with Claude 3 Haiku, followed by Claude 3 Sonnet, and ultimately Claude 3 Opus. What about the cherry on top? All three models are adaptable enough to handle chatbots, autocomplete features, and data extraction jobs with ease. Anthropic enthusiastically promotes Opus's superiority over OpenAI's GPT-4, citing its impressive 85% zero-shot prompting accuracy over GPT-4's 67%. Opus excels with graduate-level reasoning, with an impressive 50.4% success rate, whereas GPT-4 trails at 35.7%. However, Opus is not only excellent in one area, it exhibits unmatched power across multiple domains, effortlessly tackling math queries, coding jobs, and difficult reasoning challenges with unparalleled precision. Next test is its speed, which is twice or three times faster than its predecessors. That alone is a game changer, especially if you've ever had to wait anxiously for an AI response. Now, on to the real test: response quality. Whenever I put a new AI against the reigning champ, GPT-4, I'm looking for that magic factor, the ability to understand, contextualize, and respond in a way that feels, well, human. So, if you enjoy cutting-edge AI that doesn't keep you waiting and provides excellent results, Gemini Ultra may be your new best buddy in the world of digital technology. Plus, who can say no to such a stylish name? Exploring response quality in the area of AI is comparable to traveling through poetry landscapes, where JavaScript captures the essence of Bukowski's subjective yet intriguing style. This exam, which combines technical details with a different writing style, uncovers fascinating insights. Meta Llama struggled using a Henry Miller-esque style, while Mixol improved, and ChatGPT wrote a solid verse but lacked the Bukowski touch. However, Gemini stood out as the best performer, delivering dark, profanity-laced poetry that touched a deep nerve. Moving from creative expression to safety issues, Gemini's strength shows through, symbolizing the safest and most morally conscious AI with strong safeguards against bad intent. Despite attempts to stretch its limitations, Gemini stays firm, avoiding activities that clash with its moral compass. The next test is, can it write code? Let's have a look at how Gemini and GPT-4 Turbo produce code snippets. A key component is Gemini's context length of 32,000 tokens, as opposed to GPT-4 Turbo's greatest token count of 128K. One might expect the GPT-4 Turbo to be successful at developing code in huge codebases, but reality usually surprises us. Reports say a person asked both AIs to make basic stuff like a simple graph database. GPT-4 made something easy to use in his IDE and run. Gemini made something more detailed and interesting but forgot a small thing that's easy to fix. However, what truly distinguishes Gemini is its ability to link important code while creating a result, which adds a degree of clarity and context. This function improves the overall coding experience, regardless of the odd oversight. It's like having a coding partner who not only writes code, but also walks you through the process with important insights. This exam reveals each AI's complex strengths, demonstrating capabilities that go beyond simple coding proficiency. Now, let's talk about running code. Can these AI models really run programs like ChatGPT? ChatGPT can run basic Python code, but GPT-4 is better at it. However, there's a limitation. You can't add data directly, like a CSV file, for analysis. You have to export the code to places like Google Colab or Repet and run it there, which is easy, but not as cool as an AI running and learning from its own code. GPT-4 has another ace up its sleeve, the new agent marketplace, which allows developers to expand its capabilities with customized extensions. Gemini, on the other hand, provides extensions. However, they are currently limited to Google-based features. These extensions may accomplish amazing things, such as collecting travel information from Google Flights or summarizing YouTube films by providing a URL. Imagine bypassing a long lesson and having Gemini explain everything and even compose a tutorial for you. That's pure tech wizardry. Now, let's look at the most cutting-edge and effective techniques for maximizing the potential of Google Gemini in 2024. To fully utilize the potential of Google Gemini, let's make sure we're set up properly. First things first, let's click the gear button at the top to access the options. Accept the sleekness of the dark theme. After all, we're not about to settle for a boring digital experience. Turn on the Respond in Real-Time function to receive lightning-fast replies that keep you moving forward. Now, if you use a personal Google account, navigate to Extensions. Make sure to enable Google Workspace and YouTube for better functionality. I personally like to turn off the other capabilities to preserve a streamlined workflow. No unexpected problems, please. It's worth noting that extensions aren't currently available for Google business accounts, so check back for developments. Now that extensions are operational, let's speak about the wonderful capabilities you've gained. Use the simple I shortcut to access a plethora of Gmail, Google Docs, Drive, and YouTube commands. I was first doubtful about the utility of this function, but wow, was I mistaken? Let's look at some real-world instances of how Google Gemini may become your digital partner. Begin with Gmail and ask Bard to filter through your emails with accuracy. Do you need all emails about a certain topic? Simply type iGmail email, give me all emails that mention Spotify earnings, and let Bard do its magic. No more drowning in useless email search results. Allow Bard to assist you in discovering hidden riches when you transition to Google Drive. A general search, such as find all documents related to SATI prep, mysteriously delivers the exact files you want, freeing you from the maze of useless search results. When it comes to Google Docs, Bard becomes the document analysis expert. Ask it to analyze the document or summarize the top 3 takeaways, and you'll see how it simplifies difficult material into bite-sized insights. But wait, there's more. Bard's capacity to analyze photographs, extract data from screenshots, and even reverse engineer AI-generated images offers up a new realm of possibilities for efficient work procedures and creative projects. How about PDFs, you ask? While Bard cannot directly examine them, smart workarounds such as hosted links or Google Drive uploads allow you to take advantage of Bard's analytical capabilities. Let's not forget Bard's user-friendly features, like default prompts that guide your interactions and the ability to fine-tune responses for tone and length. Whether you prefer text or voice prompts, Bard adapts to your style, making every interaction seamless and productive. Now let's embark on a journey into the future of Gemini and its capabilities in remarkable ways. Let's take a look at what's next for Google Gemini, since it appears that we're only touching the surface of its possibilities. According to Hasabi's of Google DeepMind, there is a promising future where Gemini might mix with robots, ushering in a new era of multimodal capabilities. Consider robots that not only respond to orders, but also sense and interact with their surroundings in a human-like fashion. This combination of massive language models with robotics offers up novel possibilities, providing a look into the future of AI systems interacting with our environment in fundamental ways. Next year promises to be an important turning point for AI, particularly as AI agents' reliability and abilities increase. OpenAI's Ducar project and Google DeepMind's continuous reinforcement learning research are expected to transform AI's reasoning and planning skills. The delicate combination of technology and imagination seen here is just the start of what's to come. Keep an eye out for fresh discoveries and be prepared for the next chapter in the growth of artificial intelligence. The future is certainly an exciting place to be.